More production problems? Why does this keep happening?
System issues are definitely impacting production. If we can get this under control, we could free up some resources.
I'm supposed to be focused on growing our business, not shuffling people around firefighting.
Come on!
How do we fix this?
Well, I spoke to a GSI solution architect about their AppCare managed service and other offerings. AppCare is a managed service that provides remote support for a variety of applications, scenarios, and skill sets. Applications include JD Edwards EnterpriseOne, JD Edwards World, Oracle NetSuite, and Salesforce.com. First, select the support areas to be covered. There's application, development, system administration, database management, operating system, and hardware. You can select them in any combination you choose. Next, decide how much coverage you need. Options include as needed, a quarterly bucket, or unlimited support. GSI has structured plans for each. And then add your selections to a coverage window. The options are 24/7, 12/5, and 8/5. Support is provided by a large staff of experts averaging over 20 years' experience in enterprise applications, system administration, industry, and business practices. All plans include 911 emergency coverage, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. GSI's G Shield authentication for fraud protection, Genius Advanced Monitoring to head off system issues, and GSI's Genesis Performance Optimizer are available for use on all applicable plans. This total level of protection puts GSI light years ahead of the competition. A dedicated AppCare team makes us immune to illnesses, vacations, and resignations. With GSI AppCare, clients have realized up to a 67% cost reduction maintaining their system and infrastructure. Backed by its signature 100% guarantee, GSI's AppCare is the most comprehensive managed service offering on the market.
Sounds like a way to get back on track. We really need to consider this. Can you get more details?
If you want to focus on growing your business instead of maintaining your business system, email appcareinfo@getgsi.com. Visit www.getgsi.com or call 855-GSI-4ERP.